Template.net is an amazing platform that offers a wide variety of templates for different purposes. But here, we're zooming in on their Excel templates. Whether you need templates for budgeting, project management, or data analysis, Template.net has got you covered. First, head over to the website and go to the Excel templates section. You can find this under the categories drop-down or simply use the search bar. Here, you'll find a variety of Excel templates designed to make your life easier. From financial planners to inventory trackers, there's something for everyone. Here's a monthly household budget template. This is perfect for keeping your finances in check. You can see a detailed preview of the template. If you like what you see, just click download. Once downloaded, you can open it in Excel and start customizing. The fields are already set up for you, so all you need to do is input your data. This saves you a ton of time and ensures your budget is well organized. The Microsoft Template website is a treasure trove of free templates for various applications, including Excel. Whether you need templates for budgeting, project management, data analysis, or anything in between, Microsoft has got you covered. First, head over to the Microsoft Template website and navigate to the Excel Templates section. You can find this under the Templates drop-down or by simply using the search bar. You'll find a wide variety of Excel templates designed to make your tasks easier. From financial planners to inventory trackers, there's something for everyone. One of the great things about the Microsoft Template website is the variety. With everything set up for you, it's just a matter of entering your data. Microsoft offers these templates to make your work easier, more efficient, and more professional. The Microsoft Template website is an incredible resource for Excel templates, making it easier for you to manage your projects, finances, and more efficiently. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your work. Spreadsheet 123 is a treasure trove of templates for Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and other spreadsheet software. Whether you need a budget planner, an invoice template, or a project management tracker, it has got you covered. Each category is packed with templates tailored to meet your specific needs. You can find everything from monthly budgets and debt trackers to fitness logs and meal planners. Each template is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. You can customize it to fit your needs. One of the best things about Spreadsheet 123 templates is their flexibility. You can adjust layouts to make the template work perfectly for you. It also offers a blog with helpful tips and tutorials on how to get the most out of your spreadsheets. From how-to guides on creating pivot tables to tips on improving your financial planning, the blog covers a wide range of topics. It's a great resource for both beginners and advanced users. So, whether you're managing your finances, running a small business, or looking for educational tools, Spreadsheet 123 has something for everyone. Vertex 42 offers a wide array of Excel templates that can help you with everything from financial planning and project management to personal productivity and education. The site is known for its professional and easy-to-use templates. On the home page, you'll see categories like Excel templates, calendars, calculators, Word templates, and many more, along with Excel tutorials. So, whether you're managing your finances, planning a project, or just trying to get organized, Vertex 42 has the perfect Excel template for you. Now, let's go ahead and download a template. I'll choose the blood sugar chart. Just click on the template, and you'll see a detailed description along with a preview of the template. To download, simply click the download button. The template will download instantly, and you can open it in Excel to start customizing it right away. As you can see, it's professionally designed and user-friendly. You can input your data, and the template will do the calculations for you. Templates can save you tons of time and effort. My Excel Online website offers a variety of templates for different needs. With pre-built formulas and beautiful formatting, you can focus on your numbers rather than the design. Whether you need to manage your finances, projects, sales, or HR tasks, there's a template for you. Head over to their website and explore their full library. You will receive the list of free templates on your registered email. Let me download the templates and select Loan Calculator template to customize it as per my requirements. Head over to my Excel Online. Come and check them out. WPS provides competent templates that make tasks easier, even for free users. With WPS Excel templates, you can transform chaos into clarity. From budgeting to project management, these templates are designed to simplify your tasks. Customizing the template is a breeze. As you can see, WPS Excel templates turn complexity into simplicity. No more starting from scratch or feeling overwhelmed by data. These templates save you time and effort, letting you focus on what truly matters. WPS Excel templates are a powerful tool to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. The template gallery is organized into different categories, which makes it super easy to find exactly what you need. Once you've customized your template, saving and sharing is straightforward. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. Template Lab is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to streamline their workflow with ready-made templates. Whether you're managing finances, projects, or schedules, Template Lab has got you covered. As you can see, it offers a wide variety of templates suited for different needs. From budget planners and calendars to project trackers and schedules, the options are vast. You can save time and increase productivity by using these pre-made templates. They are designed to be practical and easy to use. Check out Template Lab for all your template needs. Chandu.org is packed with useful Excel templates to help you work smarter. It is well known for its in-depth tutorials and comprehensive Excel resources. But now, we'll focus on their extensive collection of Excel templates. It offers templates for various purposes. Whether you need a KPI dashboard, a Gantt chart for project management, or a financial model, there's something for everyone. Once downloaded, open the template in Excel. You'll see it's pre-formatted and ready to use, saving you hours of setup time. Now we are focusing on the existing templates that come built in with Microsoft Excel itself. These templates can save you time and help you get your tasks done efficiently. To access these templates, start by opening Excel and navigating to the new screen. Here, you'll find a variety of templates categorized by purpose. Excel offers templates for a range of needs, including business, personal, planners, and trackers. Using Excel's built-in templates can significantly boost your productivity.